In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now select Text Correction and scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or on. If you want to, you can also use this switcher next to Undo Autocorrect on Backspace and enable this option to make using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!